Hi guys, welcome back to another Battle of the Foundations. Well, today I'm trying out the BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on it, you are in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to just hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, by the way. And if you want to see my thoughts on the foundation, then just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back. So today, again, we are using the BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation. It's their Naturally Flawless one. And I am in the color Ivory Beige. So we're going to see how this works out today. I have gone ahead and primed my skin and put on my under eye color corrector. So we're ready to go in. Using a new sponge today. I picked up one of the Sonia Kashuk sponges and I'm experimenting with different sponges now so I can get an idea of which ones are good so we can find the best alternatives for the beauty blenders. And then on the other side I'll be using my Morphe Y6 brush. So let's go ahead and shake this up just in case. Pump it out. This might be a little dark for me. Just a little bit. And let's go in with the sponge. This thing is huge, by the way. I was shocked at how much it just expanded when I got it wet. I like the sponge. I like it a lot, actually. It's got a really nice consistency. It's not too soft and it's not too hard. Okay, so that is one layer using the sponge. Let's go in and do the brush side. This is a thick formula, but it doesn't feel thick on my skin. You guys know I don't like that at all. I don't like to feel things on my face. All right, and that is one layer using the brush. So I definitely got a lot better coverage using the brush. It's drying down very nice too. Losing an eyelash again. Must be going through one of those phases. I've been losing a lot of eyelashes the last few days, but I don't know. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more on this side, just in the areas that need a little bit more coverage, but I'm going to use the brush. So I just don't feel like it covered everything. Okay, that is a lot better. All right. I like this. It's a little tacky, but it feels like it's going to dry down really well. But as always, I'm going to go ahead and powder my face because I always do that. I just try and keep everything as consistent as possible in my videos. So I'm going to let this dry down just a little bit. I'm going to go in with some concealer and I'll be right back to show you how it looks just with concealer on. All right, guys, I am back and I tell you, this is pretty. I really like this. It's got a very natural look to it. Still a little bit on the tacky side, but yeah, I would still feel more comfortable setting it with powder. I do have on my concealer, but I have not set that yet. So for concealer, I am using, did I say it wrong? Airtom full cover. So love, love, love this stuff. It just never creases on me, so I just adore this, and it covers. So about the foundation, this comes in 18 shades if you get it at BH Cosmetics website, and Ulta is only carrying 12 of their shades. at BH Cosmetics website, it is $6 and Ulta is selling it for $7.99. But you know, Ulta always has that $3.50 coupon you can use to save some money, and you get 1 fluid ounce. Here's what they say about it. I'm going to be reading here. So, get skin pampering benefits in a radiant complexion with BH Cosmetics BH Liquid Foundation, naturally flawless. Reformulated with the addition of hyaluronic acid, it helps keep skin hydrated and younger looking. This foundation provides lightweight, medium to full coverage in a natural satin finish and comes in multiple shades to flatter multiple skin tones. This is the perfect match for you. So I agree, that's a satin finish. I would say it's a high medium coverage on there. So this is one of those great ones that you can just easily throw on if you're just going to be running some errands or things and want to have just a totally natural looking day. I'd be fine going to the grocery store just looking like this, maybe throw on a little bit of mascara and a little bit of lipstick and just go. But I'm going to complete my makeup and I will be back and we'll see how everything turned out. Alright guys, this is the finished look with the makeup. So if you want to see how I got this whole look, go ahead and make sure you stick around for Saturday's video because I just filmed a get ready with me using all of this makeup. And you'll be able to watch it, which means you want to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. There you go. Okay. Now that you're subscribed, make sure that you also hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I do upload my videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday as well. So let's go over my thoughts on this. I really like it. I was very pleasantly surprised. I've always been impressed with BH Cosmetics, all their cosmetics, and I just had never tried any of their foundations before. So I guess for some reason I was just thinking it wasn't going to be up to par with the rest of their makeup, but I am very pleased. I like the way this has its finish. I like the way it gave me coverage. When they say medium to buildable to high, I agree with that. I like it better with a brush than the sponge, so keep that in mind when you go to have to apply it. But I really like the coverage on this, and I like the way it feels on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy. It didn't stay tacky feeling. It's just very lightweight and very comfortable and very natural looking. So I really do enjoy that. So that's one I'm going to recommend to you guys. Go ahead and get this one. It'll be a great one for the summertime too, since it does have a lightweight feel. Even though it's a very thick foundation, it does have a nice lightweight feel to it too. So it's not going to feel smothering or anything like that. So everything else that I have on my face, I'm going to have listed down below. But again, if you stick around for Saturday's video, you'll be able to see everything that I put on. And I think that covers everything. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you have any questions or comments or video ideas or just things you want to ask me, just feel free to leave me a comment down below. I love to respond to those and I love reading them as well. So until next time, you guys, I love you and bye-bye.